Hi all, welcome to our channel. Any Facebook page, how to upload the multiple videos at a time once. It is possible for the particular post. There is a purpose. This option will be very flexible to the every user. Coming to this one, select Facebook option. Here will be setting will be multiple videos. If you are uploading one Facebook page purpose, we are uploading for multiple videos. Select upload videos. There is option will be here. Before uploading, you have to using for this option will be here. Title. Compulsory title automatically will be flexed on your particular page. Select your one Facebook page. Title automatically will be selected. Only one information you can change, description and tags. Everything will be you can change will be manual work. One by one you have to change. And you can change in thumbnail, everything will be proper. Each video you can adding for every information will be separately. Previous video we discussed about this one video how to upload for the multiple Facebook pages. There is a time we don't add any kind of information. So this will be complete will be dependent by the what are the information you can add it, that all will be mandatory field in a particular option. Everything you can add by the manual option. So yeah, now then next will be social media content here. This everything will be manual work. What are the conditions are here? Everything will be manual work. Click this and then next. Here they will be go to the number of options. Video title, everything will be done. Next will be thumbnail. If you want to create any polls, tracking, 360 degrees, anything will be here is the option. But major option is called video and thumbnail is the first priority. Video and thumbnail is the first priority. If you're changing any kind of images, if you want to change any kind of images, see this. In a number of pages, you can change any kind of here custom image. This will be thumbnail. Click for save. Next one, select it. Thumbnail. Change your pattern. Select it. Save. Previous like this. Now will be changing will be here. Thumbnail. Custom. Save it. Three will be changing parallelly. So what will option? Publish now, schedule, backdate everything. Publish now, done. Publish now, done. This will be, we can go with the schedule post after some time. Today will be 10th. Here time will be 10 o'clock. Minimum required for 10 minutes up to 75 days will be, we can schedule post will be applicable. So here is the 23. So here you can go back. Minimum required for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes when you're done by after this one. Click this, done, and click for last final option will be save changes. What are the changes required? Click here, every option will be here. Go to next option. There is a call, series will be here. Reach new audience to grow your business video. After that, we have option name is called playlist. Don't forget this playlist option, adding for each and every video. So this will be, each video will be edited and just check this option. Save. Click for this option. Next. Same. This will be done already. Click for in. So what are the changes you have? See this. 3 minutes video. This is not longer video. So that is called, then nothing worry about this option. Add playlist. Everything will be adding your particular playlist option. Save it. Save change. At a time in one Facebook page uploading for 3 videos, two will be on time publish, one will be scheduled post option. This is the method we can follow. Upload n number of videos on your Facebook page option. The mainly upload videos is called earning money from Facebook purpose. So upload the video based on the views, the earn money will be possible on your particular Facebook option. So if any further question about the Facebook uploading videos, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.